Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating an open concept galley kitchen floor plan. In this video, we'll show you how to utilize various components to create a beautiful and functional kitchen space. Let's get started. Scene 1, Kitchen Layout. First, consider the kitchen's layout. In an open concept galley kitchen, you'll often have a long, narrow space. Begin by arranging your cabinetry along one wall and the kitchen island down the center for efficient flow. Scene 2, Cabinetry and Countertops. Choose cabinetry that complements your style and storage needs. Combine it with durable countertops like granite or quartz for a sleek and functional look. Scene 3, Kitchen Island. The kitchen island is a centerpiece. Use it for meal prep and casual dining. Consider adding a breakfast bar with stylish seating. Scene 4, Sink and Range Hood. Position the sink in the island or near a window for a pleasant view. A stylish range hood not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures proper ventilation. Scene 5, Appliances. Modern appliances streamline your kitchen. Opt for stainless steel or integrated appliances for a sleek, cohesive look. Scene 6, Pendant lighting. Pendant lights above the island or dining area provide both illumination and a touch of elegance. Scene 7, Open shelving and backsplash. Open shelving allows you to display decorative items, while a well-chosen backsplash can add personality and protect your walls. Scene 8, Flooring. Select flooring materials that are both durable and easy to clean. Options include hardwood, tile, or laminate. Scene 9, Kitchen Peninsula. If you prefer a peninsula over an island, it can be a great space-saving solution. It's perfect for adding extra workspace. Scene 10, Kitchen Pantry. A well-organized pantry keeps your kitchen clutter-free and makes meal preparation a breeze. Scene 11, Windows and sliding or French doors. Windows provide natural light and scenic views. Consider sliding or French doors to connect your kitchen to the outdoors or adjacent rooms. Scene 12, Open racks and ceiling beams. Open racks are practical for pots, pans, and utensils, while exposed ceiling beams add character and style. Scene 13, Kitchen Nook and Dining Table. Create a cozy kitchen nook or incorporate a dining table if space allows, providing a designated area for family meals. Scene 14, Kitchen Peninsula seating. Lastly, add bar stools or chairs along the kitchen peninsula for convenient and casual dining. Conclusion. And there you have it. By carefully integrating these components into your open concept galley kitchen, you can transform it into a functional, stylish, and inviting space. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your kitchen design, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy decorating!